aloe vera good for gut health?
They say aloe vera may promote intestinal health and immunomodulatory support. Prebiotics are compounds in foods that encourage the growth of good bacteria in your digestive tract.
And a lot of people can't get aloe down. I do encourage you adding a little bit of mango. Definitely takes the taste of the aloe vera away. Let's try it. This is the way you want to make aloe vera. I'm gonna tell you right now, don't make it no other way. Make it Opal May's way. Well, welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are true. We are going to make something for gut health today. It's aloe vera. If you're interested, make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned. We have honey, lemon, aloe vera, and ginger. We're also gonna add something else. Make sure you pay attention, okay? Okay, let's get down to business. So of course we're going to cut our aloe vera. You can pick this up from Sprouts or any Asian store. I think it's probably like $1.50. Sometimes it's less than that. Sometimes it's just a little more. So you're going to cut your sides off, and you all can see what I'm doing. Just making sure that I'm cutting the skin off, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Very clear, okay? Make sure you cut the other side off. Careful so you do not cut your hand. We're gonna take the other side off as well. You all, this is so simple, so easy to make. This is what your aloe vera looks like, and this is about the amount that I would have at one time. Okay, very slimy, that's okay. You can always rinse it off to get some of the slime off. We're gonna add some ginger. Just a little piece, all right? 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon. That also helps with the bitterness. We have our honey. You can do 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. I do 2. And this is that special ingredients that I had for you all to add, because mango is going to change your life, okay? If you don't like aloe vera, this is a great way to drink it. Cut up some small bits of your mango. You only need about 1/4 of a cup, not too much because you do have the honey. About 1/2 cup of water. All right, then we are going to pour, and then we are going to put it in our mixer or blender, however you want to call it, and let it mix, guys. It's gonna mix probably about 1 minute is usually about enough. It should give you the look of orange juice, but this is orange juice on steroids. So yummy. Okay, so we're gonna pour, have ice with it. Tastes so much better, but hey, if you don't like ice, do room temp. What's the benefit of aloe vera?
Aloe vera gel is known for its soothing and moisturizing properties. It can help relieve sunburn, reduce skin irritation, promote wound healing, and improve overall skin health.
Is aloe vera good for constipation?
Aloe vera juice and aloe latex are promoted as a treatment for constipation. Aloe contains substances, such as barbolone, that act as laxatives. Barbolone increases the amount of water in the intestine, which can make poop easier to pass and help digestive fluids move more easily.
Aloe vera good for gut health?
Aloe vera may promote intestinal health and immunomodulatory support. Prebiotics are compounds in foods that encourage the growth of good bacteria in your digestive tract. Say, aloe vera is not just limited to skin and digestive health, it also offers a range of benefits for your general well-being. This versatile plant contains antioxidants that boost your immune system, assist in blood sugar regulation, provide hydration, support weight management, reduce inflammation, and more.
Okay, so now that you've heard it straight from Google, it's just easier to do it that way. That way I don't have to take notes and remember a bunch of stuff in my head. So now we are going to try it on camera. I'm gonna tell you right now, with the mango, it is a great way for you to not be grossed out by the aloe vera itself, guys. Okay, so now that Google has told you all about it, let's go ahead and have a taste test. Yes. Okay, so it's done. A lot of people can't get aloe down. I do encourage you adding a little bit of mango. Definitely takes the taste of the aloe vera away. Still gonna have a little bit of slime. That's okay, y'all. Goes down easy. Let's try it. This is the way you want to make aloe vera. I'm going to tell you right now. Don't make it no other way. Make it Opal May's way. Careful. You will have to go to the bathroom. Warning, okay? Anyway, if you made it this far, thanks for staying tuned. This is the aloe vera juice that you definitely want to make. Bye.